Students, welcome to the chemistry sessions. Here we are discussing in continuation of our parts, the polymer chemistry or polymer introduction of the polymer chemistry. In previous lecture we have been studied, this is the addition polymerization. Here we are discussing the condensation polymerization. In addition polymerization we have been studied, this is the preparation of the polythene, preparation of what? Phenyl chloride is PVC, polyvinyl chloride, Arlon, Teflon. Here we are discussing the part of this condensation polymerization. What is the condensation polymerization? If two reactant species, that is nothing but what? If two monomer species are condensed to each other, and then formation of what? This is the polymer. The formation of the product, the molecule, nothing but what? Condensation polymer. So how, if you are having the A molecule is react with A molecules, after loss of water molecule, it is nothing but dehydration. So these types of the process is nothing but condensation process, and then formation of the AB, these types of the, so you can like this is the B molecules, then formation of the AB, this is nothing but what? The types of the product molecule, this is nothing but what? Condensation product of the molecules. Here the what is the types of the example of this condensation polymerization? This one of the most important one of the example, this is our first, this is our nylon. Here we are discussing the nylon, formation of nylons. Here the nylons here is nothing but 2,6 nylon, nylon 6, nylon 6,6. So if we are having, this is the part of the formation nylon 6, here the part of the nylon 6, this one of the example is what? Hexamethylene. This is the taken 6 times hexamethylene diamine. The starting reactant molecule hexamethylene diamine is reacted with what? Adipic acid. This adipic acid having resist of 4 times of the COH. This is what? CS2 having the 4 times. Can take the CS2 taken 4 times, and this what? COH, carboxylic acid. There is a 2 functional group of the carboxylic acid, COOH. So this adipic acid, the name of the starting reactant molecule is adipic. It's nothing but what? Adipic acid. Adipic acid. The starting molecule is the adipic acid is condensed on hexamethylene diamine. This is nothing but what? Part of the reaction is that when hexamethylene diamine is condensed with what? Adipic acid. So what happen here? The types of the product is obtained. This formation of what? NH3. This formation of NH3 is go N becomes to the positively charged, and this is the CS2 taken 6 times. Here CS2 becomes to 6 times again, not here this NH3 again, this is the positive charge. Again here see, this is nothing but what? Oxygen atom, this going to the formation of here O, this is nothing but NH become here, and this O oxygen, this become to the negative charge, and this is nothing but these types of the carbon atoms, and this is again CS2 taken 4 times. This what? Methyl group is a 4 times, again this C double bond O, and this O negatively charges here. This formation of the charges, this is the ion species. Again the continuously the polymerization takes place. This is the 553 Kelvin. The temperature is required here 553 Kelvin, 553 Kelvin. Then formation of here, after loss of water molecule, their condensation takes place. Whatever their condensation takes place, this NH and this CS2 taken 6 times. Again nitrogen atom, here the formation of the CO bond linkage. This bond amide, these types of the linkage is nothing but what? Amide linkage. These types of the linkage is nothing but what? Amide linkage. Again this CS2 taken 4 times. Here having the CS2 taken what? How many times? This CS2 taken 4 times. Again what? Here this C double bond O, this oxygen atom, this is nothing but what? This continuously reaction takes place by loss of water molecule from this OH, from this adipic acid, and this hydrogen from this hexamethylene diamine, and these types of the product is formation of what? Nylon 6,6. This is nothing but what is nylon 6,6? There is a number of carbon atom 6 plus 6. There is a total. This is a total number of the carbon atom. This 4 plus 1 plus 1. This is the 6 carbon atom is here, and 6 carbon atom is here. That's why this total number of carbon atom present in this is the polymer compound. So this is nothing but what? Nylon 6,6. So nylon 6,6 is obtained, or nylon 6,6 is synthesized. This is what? The reaction between hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. The condensation takes place between 2 species, and formation of this is the zwitterine types of the product after loss of water molecule. Here NH3, after loss of water molecule, it is nothing but condensation takes place. Here the last step is condensation condensation is takes place and formation of what? NaCH2 taken 6 time NH, C double bond or CH2 taken 4 time COO. This types of the species is nothing but what? Again, this is what amide species is here. Here loss of water molecule, and here this is nothing but amide species, or we can say this is the writing, this is the way. So this is nothing but what? This is nothing but what? A nylon 6. There is what? A one of the example of what? A condensation polymerization formation of the nylon 6, 6. So like to this what? So another types of the example, their condensation polymerization. So if two reactant species, for example, if we are having, so another, this is the formation of the nylon 6 is one of the ring opening types of the reaction, formation of the amide. So a cyclic product, a cyclic molecule to the cyclic molecule, but this is actually what about? If we are having the starting reactant molecule is what? This is the starting reactant molecules. What is the name? This is C double bond O. This types of the linkage is cyclic amide. This is what? A lactam types of the product. When you have the cyclic amide, it is nothing but what? A lactam. This is lactam. It is called as what? Ecafrolactam. It is nothing but what? Ecafrolactam. A caproic acid. This is the word is coming from the ecafroic acid. It is nothing but ecaproic or ecapro. So as you can say, this is the ecaprolactam. Starting reactant molecule is what? ecaprolactam, which is on polymerization. अब यहाँ पे हम इसका क्या करेंगे? Polymerization करेंगे, which undergoes the high temperature. The types of the bond is break. Amide, so that is nothing but what? Amide linkage. Amide bond is a break, and then formation of this C double bond O. C double bond O. This CH2 taken how much times? This bond is break 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is nothing but 5 carbon, and this nitrogen, one of the hydrogen atom is there. This is nothing but n times. It is what? Nylon 6. It is nothing but nylon 6. Why it is nylon 6? Because the total again, total number of carbon atom कितने हैं इसमें? 6 carbon. So that's why it is known as nylon 6. So that is obtained from, this is the breakdown the cyclic ring. It is nothing but a cyclic, this cyclic compound to the cyclic, cyclic says acyclic formation किया, a ring opening reaction. This types of the reaction is nothing but, we can say a ring opening reaction. इस types के reaction को ring opening reaction कहेंगे. A caprolactam, it is polymerization at high temperature. This amide bond is break, and the formation of what? Nylon 6. This types of the molecule is nothing but what? A preparation of nylon 6, or we can say synthesis of nylon 6. So the second one example of this nylon, so the, condensation polymerization as a starting reactant molecule is what? If